signed the deal in November, December came, and then we had to do the visa applications, we had to set the corporate structures offshore, all these things, which took a while. But the moment that was out of the way, it was, okay, now we have to just go. And up until then, it was just, we actually wound up being in the States in end of February. So we probably had like 8 weeks at home between signing the deal and, and actually being given a go-ahead. So it was moving very quickly. We got there, we started hiring people and building up. I mean, we hired 30 people within 12 months. It's quite a lot of hiring, and that's probably 300 interviews at least, because we were pretty strict with who we hire, so it's 10 interviews per person at the very least. For the product role, we had 150 applicants, and we interviewed around 25, 30, so that's the ratios that we had, and great candidates. We had to prove user adoption, so it wasn't good enough just getting 10,000 users or getting to 1 million users. We had to prove that they were using it to build valuable sites. We had to get surveys done, we had to pull that information in, showcase some of the things that we're doing, speaking to some people who are actually making money on our product. Because we have a affiliate link through to PayPal, on our PayPal engine, we can tell when people are actually setting up online stores and transacting, because PayPal pays us commission on sales. So we earn money from that as well. So it's very interesting to see how people are using our product to make money. Market traction, we were in the Wall Street Journal. We now get mentioned more than pretty much any of our competitors when it comes to website building space. We've sort of built the name in the space. We're busy proving monetization. Our revenues are a lot more than people think, actually. We're not profitable yet, but as a young company, it's a lot more than most companies will get to. The stage we're at right now, and it's growing very quickly. So we're pretty sure that the business model is right. I think a lot of it hinges on our template marketplace and how we bring that out there. But we're doing quite well, and we built a strong media profile. So, in terms of profitability, that's our plan for Series B. How do we get to profitability? We've just received $20 million investment. What's our target user base? We think 20 million users, making us $1 each a year is a $20 million proposition. That's a decent sized business. So we think that, I'm not saying that's particularly the number we're going for, but we think 20 million users is the right number to prove the business's critical mass and longevity. What the monetization rate per user. If you look at Facebook and you look at the other guys out there, they're doing $2.50 to $3.50. Around about $2.50 to $3.50 is the range for most web companies. So we looked at it as 20 million being the minimum, and if we do 40% of what they do at $1, it's a profitable business. So that's sort of how we worked out that 20 million is our target for the end of this round of financing. Importantly is getting the business to the point where each user brings you more revenue than, or more gross profit than they cost. Because then it just becomes a virtual cycle. You have cash on hand, you put money into paid marketing, so you spend $5 million this year buying customers who make you $6 million, so you make $1 million net profit, plus that money comes back every year because our business sells annuity income and subscription models. So as long as you cover the first year, you can basically, if you want to send me 20 million customers this year, and I'll give you all the profits of those customers for the first year, I lose nothing. There's a little bit overhead running the service, but in theory, even if just 50% come back next year, that's free money. And that's the annuity model. And you keep using the system and make money. Annuity models are fantastic, subscription models are fantastic. And I'm big on the annual subscription model, not the monthlies. I think the monthlies have too high, we've done some research, and the attrition rates are very high. You have a lot of drop-off happening, and you also, because of the cost of transactions, you charge the users more. Annual fees, anywhere between $9.95 to $29.95. If you're offering a good service, people will use it. The problem with the monthlies is that if people don't use it for 2 or 3 months in a row, they want to cancel because they don't see value. But on an annual basis, like, I used it 3 or 4 times last year, that's fine. And they write it off in their heads that way. There's a big psychological gap between monthlies. Businesses, monthlies are actually a lot better because businesses like Salesforce.com charges monthly. Most businesses, they don't look at their statements, they just, the bills tick away. Personal users with credit cards, they take a lot of people look at 20 or 30 or 40 bucks a month. So our strategy is to build out our business intelligence and use analytics to make good data-driven decisions. That's understanding our customers, what they're buying, where the opportunities are. Viral growth. At the bottom of every single web page that gets published, it's powered by Priola, and those links back to us, and people click those links, and we make a lot of money out of people actually taking those links, signing up and buying a domain name. So there's this huge viral aspect of having millions of sites out there. We have over 1 million sites on the web right now. And people, it could be your site, people visit your site, a certain percentage are going to click through and come to us and buy. And that's just free advertising for us, and that's free money for us. So there's a huge viral aspect of getting users to build better sites and market their sites. We're going to start charging users to remove that. So there's a revenue stream for us as well, because we're offering free, obviously free everything. We can at least put a link back saying what product was used to build the site. And if you want to pay whatever it is, $10 a year to remove it, we think it's a fair deal. So that's the one thing we're putting in soon. We're looking at going beyond website building, so mobile websites, ability to build a website on your mobile device, especially people with computers, but also access existing sites on a mobile device and reformatting it for mobile. Of course, there's a little bit of charge for that, and we'll make some money out of that. Exactly, that's it. We're going to increase average revenue per user, so figure out what else people want to pay for and keep charging them for that. Focusing on ease of use, the user experience, and then ramping up customer acquisition to get to profitability. Growth and distribution, we just looked at, as I said, partnerships with ISPs, PC manufacturers, retailers, looking at targeted advertising in the right spaces, the right sectors, partnerships with key interest groups, small business associations. We're launching affiliate programs soon, but we're waiting for some things before that goes live. We want to have more things to sell. And we have a good social media strategy. Just 3 people on our Twitter account, just respond to people. We monitor YouTube, we monitor all the different sources, and we make sure we're always current with what people are saying about us, and if there's any problems with dealing with support. There's obviously 10,000 people. It's incredible. So secrets in securing investment, I think my secrets are it's a lot of everything. You need to have a good team of people, passionate about what they do, and really working hard and believing in something. You have to have a good plan. You have to have a great plan. You have to have a good plan with a great bunch of guys will probably sell, because the plans are changing anyway. It's helpful having a network. Entrepreneurs need to have good networking skills. You need to build a network with other entrepreneurs. You build a network with potential clients, etc. You've got to be out there. Otherwise, if you sit in a room all day, you just lose touch in the market. You need to be out there a bit more than anyone else. Have a big pitch. In one line, one sentence, be able to explain what your business is without having to. I find the most frustrating thing is asking someone what they do, and they go, "Well, hang on, I need to explain to you like this," and then after 20 seconds, you just blank out. It's people who can't succinctly explain their business in 1 or 2 sentences. It's not so much that people are not going to hear about you. It's just so much that if you can't explain in 1 or 2 sentences, you're probably not going to get any customers, because most people just don't have the time to understand. I've met so many people that we're a solutions company. What does that mean? What solutions do you do? Well, we help businesses, integrate multiple services. What the hell does that mean? So most businesses, whatever you're doing, even if you are a solutions company that integrates multiple services, get a better pitch than that. So have a good pitch, because whenever you're meeting with somebody on a plane, anywhere, and they ask you what you do, if you can't explain it, you might as well just say you're a banker. It's just that. So have a good demo. Have a good pitch ready to go. Have a good demo. Be able to say, and have a recorded video. I find a 30-second video works great. More than a minute is just too much. 30 seconds. Look, this is what it does. Watch it. Anyone's got 30 seconds for you. A minute's pushing it. Persistence. I spoke to like 25 VCs or so. They all said no. None of them got it. The ones who thought they got it didn't get it. And so I didn't raise money easily, I can tell you that much. Passion for the idea. You don't have passion for what you're doing, why are you doing it? Ask yourself that. So you guys are entrepreneurs, I need to tell you that. You've got to prove the potential of your business, either by showing what competitors are doing, or showing what potential clients are offering, or saying, we'll buy this. Have something. Even if it's as simple as offer to buy your services from a customer saying, I would like to buy your services once you've got your business up and running. Something that proves the potential of your business